morning everyone, welcome back to our Walk the Talk series. Today we have our privilege to have Ms. AmritaBist with us.
Thank you, Aditya, for having me here.
You're welcome, ma'am. So today we'll be discussing a very important topic. Does diversity improve performance or complicate collaboration? Isn't it a deep and a trendy topic?
Yes, Aditya, it is a very interesting topic and I'm very excited to talk on it.
So do I am. So ma'am, my first question to you, what does diversity means to you in a workplace or a working environment?
See, Aditya, when people coming from different background, having different style, different culture, different everything, and when they come together, they work, they form a different atmosphere, and that atmosphere, it is very much required in workplaces, right? So when they work together, everyone has each and every opinion. So every opinion is considered, right? So this is opinion and this culture is very important in teamwork, and this is called diversity. Like people coming from different background and having different. So on the table, there's a different matter and opinion.
Very truly said. So, like as you mentioned, working in a team and it improves performance. So my second question to you, does it really improves performance? And if yes, it improves performance, then how?
See, Aditya, as I already said before, like people coming from different backgrounds, having different opinions. So when they're working together, everyone has a different mindset, right? So yes, it obviously improves performance because each and every person is having a different background. So when they are bringing those things and this culture, values together on the table, a very good and interesting things develop. So this is very important to have diversity. If you want to excel in life, obviously one should have the diversity, and diversity will obviously improve the team's performance.
Truly, absolutely, ma'am. But you mentioned one more thing, like everyone has a different background, everyone has a different mindset. So does diversity sometimes create some challenges? And if yes, then how, like what sort of challenges does it create?
Aditya, like yes, obviously if people coming from different background and working together, obviously challenges may occur, okay? So challenges may occur due to lack of communication. Obviously people from different backgrounds, when they're working together, it will form a different type of atmosphere, right? So that can lead to conflicts, like people will not understand what you are trying to say, and that will obviously lead to conflicts. So this is a very little disadvantage of having diversity, but yet it is very important to have a good leader. If a team is having a good leader, obviously these little small conflicts can be resolved. And one more thing, Aditya, like these conflicts which is taking place because of diversity is not because people are from different backgrounds. This is because people are not able to understand, they are not having that much of time so that they can understand each other. So that is
Truly said, truly, like absolutely, I agree to each and every statement. So, like, how does a team work together to prevent the challenges created by diversity?
if there is a good leader, obviously these things will be resolved. A good leader will ensure like there are no conflicts taking place, people are getting privilege, they are getting value, and if these things are taken care of, obviously conflicts will be resolved.
Absolutely. So my one final question to you, like the statement from which I started, does diversity improve performance or complicate collaboration? Your final take on it.
Yes, Aditya. Diversity is very, very much important for team's performance, right? So I would like to say that if diversity is there, obviously team will excel, right? So if you want a better environment, a better culture in the corporate or anywhere else, diversity is very important. And India is a diverse country, as you know, right? So diversity is very important to excel in leadership.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Now I guess everyone has a great insights on this topic, diversity, work environment,
Yes.
complicate collaboration or improves performance. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining
Thank you,
today.
Aditya.
Right?
It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Likewise.